Welcome to the Spellbinders May 2026 Embossing Folder of the Month Club called Poolside. This embossing folder creates the look of water movement, refracted light, or rippling shadows in a pool. Since the folder is an 8.5 by 5.5 inches, you can easily emboss A2, slimline, 5 by 7, and other large-sized cards. Let's use this embossing folder to create a card. Start with an A2 piece of Spellbinders Seaside cardstock and place it inside the embossing folder. To create the standard embossing folder Platinum 6 sandwich, start with the platform base A, then place platform top B on that. Next, place the embossing folder with the cardstock inside on the platform top. Finish the sandwich off with a clear plate C and run through the die cut machine. The subtle effect on this light-colored cardstock is perfect for a number of card backgrounds. Next, use Hero Art's Unicorn Pigment ink to swipe white ink on the embossed panel. Use medium pressure to try and leave ink mainly on the raised parts of the embossed lines. Start with a light amount of ink and then add more until the background looks the way you want it to. Next, use the Spellbinders guillotine trimmer to cut the embossed and inked panel down to 4 by 5.25. Place Spellbinders tape runner on the back of the panel and place it down on a white A2 top folding card base. Place 4 foam squares on the back of the assembled Small Die of the Month suitcase with Puppy and Kitty and add it to the embossed panel. Place a micro foam strip on the back of a sentiment from the Press and Foil Plate Club. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!